Over to Jamaica Vibes Kitchen.
Three fag, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes have the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So for this video, I have another story time. I told y'all I have a lot of stories. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay? Go over to TNR Reactions and More. Subscribe to his channel. A lot of reaction videos, funny videos. Guarantee you won't be disappointed. And then go over to TJs Funtivities and subscribe. Okay? Shaman. Anyway, so I have 2 stories today, and both stories are times I guess I could say I was embarrassed by my mom, but both of them I caused them on myself. So the first one, so in Jamaica, when you go to high school, some schools, you have shifts. So you have the morning shift that is 7 to 12 and the afternoon shift that is 12 to 5 p.m. Okay, so this particular school year I was on the morning shift, so 7 to 12. After my mom told me after I get off school, come to the town to meet her so we can go grocery shopping. So I'm like, okay, cool. I went to the town, met up with her, and while we were walking, I swear, everywhere I turned, there was a different person that I knew from school that I was running into. So obviously, I'm this cool person at school. I gotta keep that same energy when I'm out and about if my friends see me, you know? So, we have this store called Super Plus in Mandeville, Jamaica. Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica, okay? So we went to Super Plus to do some shopping. So we cashed out, got all our bags, walking outside, and my mom turned around, she looked at me, she said, carry these bags right here. So the moment she said carry the bags, in my mind I'm like, okay, what if my friends see me walking around with a plastic bag? We call them scandal bag. So I'm like, what if my friends see me walking around with a scandal bag? What are they gonna think? So I'm not gonna carry no bags. So I said, Mommy, I can't carry these bags. What if one of my friends see me carrying the bags? You know what I'm saying? I'm the hot stuff, so I can't let my friends see this. So, y'all, I kid you not. My mom, she had all the bags in her hand, and my mom turned around and she put all the bags on the floor, and she said, if you're not, I'm not out of the bag, make the turn right there.
If you're not, I'm not out of the bag, make the turn right there.
Means if you're not eating nothing out the bags, let them stay right there. And she walked off and left me with all the bags. At first, I was only gonna get a few of them, but because of what I said, now I'm left with all the bags. And she walked off. So I'm left struggling with all these bags, but I caused it on myself because now that I think about it, I'm like, how dumb was I? Everybody in Jamaica, when they go shopping, they get stuff in bags. So what if your friends see you carrying stuff in a bag? Who cares? It's food that you're gonna eat. No one cares. The next story. So the high school that I went to in Jamaica is called Belfield High. And anybody on here that went to Belfield will know what I'm talking about. So when I was there, they had what was called the 100-man gang. Hold on. Gotta make sure. My throat is a little bit parched, so I gotta make sure, you know, I drink up so I can tell this stuff the right way. Let me hold it. Yeah, so, yeah, they had the 100-man gang. There's a whole bunch of dudes from the school that formed this gang and beat up people, pretty much. Anyway, when I was in school, I loved fights. Now, I didn't get into any fights. I only got in a fight once, and that was in what we call primary school. Here, that is, primary school is grades 1 through 6. Yeah, we call that primary school. So, my cousin was in a fight. She was getting beat up, so I just jumped in to help out a little bit. But that was it. And it wasn't even really me in the fight. I just went one little hit, whoop, and then went on about my business. But anyway, yeah, I loved to watch fights when I was in school. So this day, we got out of school. I was on, shoot, I can't remember if I was on the morning or the afternoon shift. Whatever it was, might have been afternoon. But there was a fight with some of my classmates after school. Right, so I gotta explain it to y'all the right way. So I live in this direction, okay? The fight was going in this direction. So obviously I'm going this way. I don't care if I live this way. The fight is going that way. And it's not like the fight was in one spot. It was moving. So as it was moving, I was moving with it because I don't want to miss none of the action. Anyway, it got to a point where it kind of stopped. So we were all just standing there just watching these boys fight. And then this car pulled up at my foot. But you know, it was moving over. So what I did, I just moved out the way a little bit to give him some room. I thought he was letting somebody out the car, which it was dumb because where we were at, he couldn't have been letting anybody out the car. Anyway, when I looked, it was Terrence's dad. Terrence's dad, he's a taxi driver in Jamaica. He was the one that pulled up at my foot. And the window went down and I heard, "Get your backside in the car right now." For those who don't know what that means, get your ASS in the car right now. And when I looked, it was my mom. And y'all, when I tell y'all, I felt it to my core. Because it's not like she said it quietly. And my friends, it's not just me that's following the fight. My friends are there too. So now my friends just heard you tell me, get my behind in the car. And I felt that when I tell you, I was embarrassed. The following day, my friends were mad at me because they were like, "No, you could have told your mom no." And live where? Live where after I tell her no? Yes, I would have loved to stay with them so we could all go home together. But you think if my mom stopped at my foot and say, "Get your behind in the car," like that, I'ma say no? I love life. I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, there was 2 times that I caused myself embarrassment because it wasn't even her. If I had went home like I was supposed to, I wouldn't have been in that predicament. And if I had took the bags that she was giving me in the first place, she wouldn't have placed them on the ground and just walked off. Caused them on myself. But y'all see how my mom is. Y'all know she off the chain sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, hope y'all like this story. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend, tell another friend to come over to Jamaica Vibes Kitchen. I feel like it's the sun. When the sun is hot, I just think I don't have no sense at all. But until next time, peace out.
Vibes Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.